Hello guys, what is up and welcome to another tutorial video. In this one I will be showing you guys how you can remove objects or people from photos in the Snapseed editing app made by Google. Now as you can see, I am using a stock photo I found online. Don't judge me for this is a perfect situation that I can use, and let's get right into it. Now what we want to do, we need to use two tools. One is the double exposure tool and one is the healing tool. And what we want to do is go into the double exposure tool, and we want to select a video we want or a picture we want to double expose this with. What I want to use, or what we want to use rather, for this process is the same picture. And what you want to do is just drag it a bit to the side, or enough so that the object doesn't intersect with itself in the two different photos. And let's say like this, just a bit to the side. However, no intersections should happen. And yeah, that's perfect. Now what we want to do, as you can see, the second picture's opacity is at 50%. We want to increase that to 100, and that should be perfect. Just click on the OK check mark, and once you do that, you will have this. Now what you want to do is click on the icon in the top with the two pages and the undo button. Click on view edits, double exposure, and the middle icon. Now we're in the stacks brush. Make sure double exposure is 100 down at the bottom, and just paint over the person, or rather the object that you do not want. And feel free to go into as much detail as possible to cover everything and make it look realistic. Click OK, and as you can see, that person is gone. Now there is still an artifact there. What we want to use for this is the healing tool, and what you want to do is just simply tap over it, drag it, select it, and just do whatever you can to make it look as natural as it can be. And that is pretty much all there is to removing objects from photos. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you found this useful, and I'll see you guys in another video.